Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice Azure gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, comes equipped with the 4K tow package, as well as the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, we got mud flaps on the rear and front, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, and moving to the front real quick, we do get license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does stay up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice gray black cloth interior, floor mats with 2 USB-Cs. You got some storage here, plenty of door space in the back. You do get cup holders and arm space with under-seat storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat, same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 110 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get your digital speedometer, lane centering, my view, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, cup holders, and storage. Tons of storage here as well. Center console with more storage underneath. Engine start stop, 12 volt and outlets. Playback forward, comm screen, hazards, auto hold, and volume. Storage below on the dash with your features for your sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Your nice big infotainment system with your climate controls at the bottom. Audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, settings, features of the vehicle, as well as any apps you may download, such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB62872, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.